Whether you say Sakwat or not, or Comot to Tape. Actually, before I came in Nigeria, I know how to say Comot to Tape. It was when I was here, I learned Sakwat or not, which means what is your name? Good day to you, wherever you may be. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yes, so you know we are in a series, so we are going to be talking more today. Today we are going to be dwelling more on the cities that we have here on Quebec. Yes, if you've not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, share if possible, and don't forget to like. Try to tell a friend so that a friend will tell a friend. That is how we roll. Thank you so much. So today I'm going to be talking about the cities that are in my place. For those of us that read the description box, I will still write them there, but I'm just going to be saying some for now. Talking about cities, we have up to 13 cities in Quebec. That is just the truth. Is it up to 13 or 11? But I'm going to be mentioning some. The first one, which I know is the largest in this place that I am, which is Quebec, is Montreal. That was where your girl landed and the family when we newly came. Montreal is a very big place. When I was doing my research, I noticed that Quebec, where I am, is the second largest province in Canada. You can see when I was saying the place is big. You can see what I'm talking about. Don't worry, maybe in the next series I will tell you the largest province. But today I'm telling you about the second largest province in Canada is Quebec. So we have different cities in Quebec. We have Montreal, we have Quebec, where I am, though I'm in Granby. Granby is one of the cities in Quebec. We have Laval, we have Sherbrooke. There are different cities here in Quebec. Yes, there are different cities here in Quebec. We have different cities here in Quebec. So I'm going to be writing it down in the description box so you see more of it. So I also said it earlier on that if you are planning to relocate to this place, try to learn more of French. It will help you. Yes, you benefit more. I notice we have different people from Africa here, Togolese, you understand? Those people, they already know how to speak French from their place. They know more French. Togolese, there are different people, even Ghana. I met with different people when I came here actually, and they are my friends. They will be watching me now, so they know how to speak French. So getting here, it wasn't difficult for them, though they attended the training, the class for it, but it was not that difficult compared to we that don't know it initially. So I'm suggesting that if you are planning to, this place is not a bad place. No, no, no. They are very welcoming. They are good. They are nice. I'm going to be telling you more on what we don't have here. Yes, what we don't have here in my city. We don't have airport. No, 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 no. We don't have airport. We don't have train station. I'm reacting to your questions. We don't have airport here, train station, metro. Someone was asking if there's metro station. No, no, we don't have. Actually, there's a bus. The bus is not that big. Takes, I don't, maybe, I'm not sure, it's up to 40 people that it takes. Your girl, I've been here now going to more than a year. I've not taken the bus. Yes. And you will want to know why. I will tell you the reason why I've not taken the bus. When I go out, the first day I went, I wanted to take the bus, and the bus didn't come. And where I'm going to, I have to be there because I left the home 15 minutes to the time. I know when I take bus, because go is 5 minutes to the place. Before the bus could come, when I check 30 minutes, when I know if I walk down, I will get there. So I actually walked down to the place. I didn't take the bus that day. So when I got home, I checked and I noticed that it's every 30 minutes that the bus comes. I was not laughing. I said, hey, every 30 minutes. So I felt there was no need, because where I am is close to the shopping mall. Is though we were taking cab initially to some far places before we actually got our own car. So I felt there was no need. If I must go to somewhere that is far, I will wait for my husband to take me there. Do you understand? So if I know the place is not far, even 30 minutes walk, I walk it. There was a day I did trekking for more than 30 minutes. Yes, I did trekking. To me, it's an exercise. I was like waiting for this bus. Even when I was told to come and be picking my son when he was going to school for every 2 hours, they said I need to take the bus to, because I told them that I have to walk home. They asked me how many minutes from the house to the school. I said 30 minutes. But if I'm walking with him, it will take me more than 30 minutes. You understand? When I'm walking, it's different from when I'm walking with a little child. So I said it will take me more than 30 minutes. That's so it's going to be difficult for me. So they were suggesting that I should take the bus. I was like, the bus that comes every 30 minutes. Every 30 minutes. I've not even checked how it works. I've not checked how it is going to be. But I know I have to walk from their school to where to get the bus. That one will take maybe like 3 to 5 minutes. So I thought of so many things. I discussed it with my husband. So he decided that no problem, he will be going to pick him at that time. So he has to change his nature of job. Actually, he was doing morning before. He has to change it to night, which was not okay for us. So your girl have not taken the bus. I won't lie to you. So there's a bus there, but we don't have train station. We don't have metro. I remember when my sister-in-law came, we have to go to Montreal. You know, I told you Montreal is a very big place. I have to go to Montreal. There you have the train station. There you have metro station. There I've been there. For those that have been following me, you know I was in Montreal for a year, I guess so. So at that time, I took you guys along before we came over to this place. So actually, this place, this is where we are. There's not too much of infrastructure. Yes, yeah. It's not that much here. African shop, is there African shop here? I've been to one, and that's the only one that I know. That's the only one I know. There, they said different type of things. I remember when I went there, the first time I went there, I had my phone. They have to delete the stuff that was recorded there. So many things. I was like, what is going on? No, because of the place we are. The woman that owns the place, I've never seen this kind of thing before. She was like, what am I up to? Do I want to arrest her? Because she later apologized. We were still going there. That was the place we go to buy our garri, buy our melon, buy stuff, African stuff that I want to buy. It's just that it's expensive. I don't blame her, because she's the only person, nobody to compete with. Before later, I've now got to find another place. But there is like, let's say it's Chinese that owns the place. It's white people. But this other one that we knew before this other place is black woman. She's from Togo, Ghana. I can't really say, but I know she speaks more of French. She can speak French a lot. She speaks French a lot. So the other place is white, whether they are from Philippines, either Philippines or China, I don't really know. But when I entered the place, I saw some things that I needed. Not that they have some things that like garri, no, it's not there. But I saw pepper, I saw grounded melon, I saw other few things. Oil, yes, I saw oil there too. So we started going there. We started going to the woman's place and that other place too, just to meet up. So actually where we are now is a very small city. It's a very small place, but you will enjoy it if you come. All I would suggest for you is to know how to, now speak French. You will enjoy this place more. It's close to where you want to buy things. It's not far. You don't have to, except you are the type that say, oh, I must take the bus, then get ready to wait for 30 minutes for the bus to come. Even weekend, when I checked, there was a day I wanted to go out on weekend. When I checked, it was 1 hour. It wasn't 30 minutes. I have to wait for 1 hour. I just told myself, it was cold, actually, that period. I just told myself, okay, let me put on everything, my jacket, my boots, everything, just to warm myself. And I walked down to where I was going to. So don't mind the noise. So I walked down to where I was going to, and I bought what I want to buy, and I came back. It was when I was even coming back that I saw the bus going. I laughed. I said, so I would have waited till now. Actually, I would have stayed indoor. Then when I know it's few minutes to the time, I will go and wait for the bus. But then I told myself that I have to do something, set some things. So I need to walk down. So that is that for today. Don't worry, I'll try to meet up with your question. Let's continue the gist on the comment section. Do you understand? So I will try to meet up to the question. This series is going to take like a month, like 2 months. No, now we don't upload every day. It's twice a week. So I will try to make this series very simple. Maybe it will take more than a month. I can't actually say, depending on the question that I got. So don't worry, your girl is going to react to it. Though I'm getting some people are calling me and telling me, oh, we want you to talk on this, we want you to, don't worry, your girl is writing them down. I will try to bring them out. And again, as I'm doing this, I'm doing it to also encourage other people around me. Yes, they are wondering, oh, which city should I go? Which province should I go? We have to think of these things. Yes, think of it. We wanted to learn French, especially our kids. We know what we did not do from the origin, and they are still small. We know they will learn better and faster. I was not like, it's somehow learning language in old age. I'm not old. I'm just joking anyway. So that is it for today. I don't want this video to be too long. So let's continue the gist on the comment section. Whatever your question might be, just say it down there so that we'll put it together and share so that we all can learn from one another. Thank you so much for your encouragement. Thank you for the love. I pray the good Lord that we serve will continue to bless you, continue to bless me. Take care of yourself. We love you. Bye.